In this video, we are going to look at how to sync and use a single slicer across multiple pages in Power BI. This is a great way to improve your dashboard's user experience because it allows your users to filter the entire report once without having to reselect the same filters on every single tab. Hello everyone, and welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. With our dedicated MadeEasy team, we're here to simplify software learning. Dive into our comprehensive video tutorials for a smooth learning experience. To get started, first click on the slicer you want to sync across your pages to select it. In this example, we are going to select the District Manager slicer on the District Monthly Sales page. Next, move your cursor up to the top menu ribbon and click on the View tab. Look for the Show Panes section on the ribbon and click the button called Sync Slicers. This opens up the Sync Slicers pane on the right-hand side of your canvas. Here, you will see a list of all the pages in your current Power BI report. Next to each page name, there are two distinct checkbox columns. The first column, with the looping arrows icon, controls the syncing background connection. The second column, with the eye icon, controls the visibility of the slicer on that specific page. If you want to sync the selected slicer across every page automatically, you can click Add and Sync with all pages. However, in this video, I will show you how to manually sync the slicer to just our first page, Overview. Here is a preview of the Overview page before syncing. To connect them, go to the Sync Slicers pane and check the box in the Sync column next to Overview. Let's test it out. If we make a selection on our main page and then switch over to the other page, you will see that the data has automatically filtered to match. Note that because we left the Visibility Eye icon unchecked for the second tab, the data filters behind the scenes, keeping this completely clean and free of duplicate slicer boxes. If you do want to display the duplicate slicer box on the other page, you can easily do so by checking the box under the Visible column. Now, when we check the Overview page, you can see that the duplicate slicer appears directly on that page. And that's it. That is the simplest way to sync and use slicers on other pages in Power BI. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more quick step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.